lads. Right, it's the night before Donnington. I'm recording this now because we're going to have to get up really early. We've got to be at Donnington for like 8 o'clock. Now, I have mentioned this a lot of time previously, but we're going down with Track Obsession. Track Obsession have given me a season pass which gets me to all the events. This is actually the first of the year. I've actually got Max Coates there tomorrow, which is, a lot of you will know who Max Coates is, but he's the Clio Cup champion. So he's going to be coming around and jumping in everyone's car free of charge from Track Obsession. So he's going to come in and hopefully I'll teach him some things about how to drive. I'm not going to be taking Evo out too much, hopefully, because I just don't want to just put that much stress on the car. So we need a little bit of a map tweak and stuff. But should be fun. I hope she's good tomorrow. Yeah, hopefully it doesn't rain because we are on semi-slicks, but hopefully we're going to have a little bit of fun. So, as I said, I will be going to a lot of Track Obsession days, so book on. I will be giving away wristbands and tickets to patrons, so I've got a couple of patrons coming along tomorrow. So if you do want to come along with me to these track days, go on Patreon, but huge shout out to Track Obsession. I will be going through most of them, so if you do want to take your car on, book on, I can come out, you can take me out and stuff like that. So we'll pick it up in the morning. Right, so we're at Donnington. It's been a really stressful morning. We got stuck on the motorway, sat there in sat on the M1 for about an hour. We're here, we're brief, we're a bit late. I've chucked everything out the car. Now I'm going to take out the Evo for a few laps, but I think that we might get black flag because of the noise, but if we do, we do. Will's here with his M3 that he's bought for the day. I wish I had that much money. Was that fun? What is it? Is it slippery? Yeah. Yeah, I'm worried. Is it? Yeah. I think I'm going to get black flag straight away with that screamer.
Yeah, maybe.
Maybe. We'll give it a go.
We need some four-wheel drift then. Four-wheel drive.
Is there anybody fast out?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah, I've just come in now, so.
No, but Will's going to let, if we do get black flagged, Will, because he's a princess, we're going to share the M3. Some mad cars in, so I might warm the Evo up and we might take the Evo out just for a few laps. Where you say the noise meter is? On this straight here? Right, I'll just come off boost here then. Alright, I might take her out for a couple. I'll just do an over check of her first and then right, we're gonna go and do a couple of warm-up laps. I'm probably gonna get black flag straight away, but it'll be right. Just doing a really slow laps. I've never been around this track. Really slippy. I might pick up a pace a bit now. Nice, slippy.
Semi-slick life.
Nice, slippy, man. I need this to dry up a bit. We went into the dirt on the first corner and then the tyres warmed up and then it was alright, to be fair. The corners over there are dead fun. But I don't like this one at the top. There's just way too much speed and it's way too wet, and when I'm on semi-slicks I'm just not getting any grip. But we've got Max Coates coming out with us at 20 to 10, who's a Clio Cup driver, so 20 to 11, sorry, so that'll be fun. So we're going to leave the car here until then, and then we're going to get Max out because hopefully Max will teach us some things. Chris from PBS is here as well. Let's go and see what he's doing. Chris! How you doing? Is she alright?
Yeah, it's a bit of a shame. It's pulls together.
Wait, I went onto the dirt once. Bit slippy. Oh, yes, man. You have to take me out in a bit. Right. think I'm gonna go and grab some food now. I'm absolutely starving. This Evo 6, this is beautiful,
That's really
isn't it?
nice.
It's gorgeous. Right, so we've got Max Coates coming out with us. I'm going to teach him how to drive. So I'm going to film the whole thing. There might be some interesting stuff he says. Just a bit of a warm-up lap, or you just want to just
Absolutely, yeah. Just I'd get your tyres warm because it's
It's a bit slippy, isn't it?
Yeah, it's slippy and they're not going to have any temperature, so yeah. I just give it sort of like a few hits of the brake is generally the thing for getting some heat into them.
She's left her helmet at the back of his seat.
Do you want to go in and chuck it in the pits?
Do you want to?
Yeah, I'm trying to do a warm-up lap. I generally try and stay on the racing line.
Oh, right, okay.
You'll not hold everybody else up from behind. And you're more likely to get your tyres warm if you're on the drier part of the track.
Right, okay.
So once they're through, then just, you know, jump into the queue if you like.
It was hitting me.
Oh, shit. Good. And then he's turning in quite wide and late.
Yeah.
That's nice. Now you see he's straight and driven off from the corner. That's what we want. He's driving that quite well.
Follow his line then, yeah.
Not up the inside of him. Keep it to the outside, that's it. And in you go. Lovely. Good. More to the left of what he is though. That's it. Down you gear. That's it. Turn it through. That's it. Lovely. Use it. Back to the left now, smooth through, use the width. Good. There's another guy behind you as well, so you got onto the next straight. Lovely. That's it, down your gear. That's it, turn her in, lovely. Good. That's it, pick up your power. Great. Lovely, bit more braking. That's it, turn it through. Try and let this guy in the Honda go behind us.
Yeah.
That's it, and then away you go.
We good?
Yeah, we're good now, mate. Try and keep it straight to your braking zone, so you straighten up the exit. That's it. So wait for it. Lovely. Now turn it in. Everybody's just another yellow flag. So just sit behind him here. That's it. So I'm just going to show you where I want you to be.
Yeah.
Okay. So you want to be on about that line there.
Yeah.
That's it. You just stay with that little Ford car. Lovely. There. Turning it through. That's it. Nice and smooth. With your power.
Yeah.
Good. Onto your brakes. Lovely. That's it. Brilliant. Turning it in about there.
Okay.
Good. That's it. Just watch out for the curve. Brilliant. That's it there. Then start to feed it across. You see how little the steering in
Yeah.
we've had in? That's what we're after, okay? Watch out for this guy. So stay out wide, then turn it through, yeah? Then you can see there, we're straight for the braking zone, okay?
Yeah.
Down your gear. Good. That's it. In like that. Perfect. There we go. And then away you go. And it doesn't really need to be any more steering than what I've kind of done
simple,
there.
you make it look so easy, yeah.
I know we were only going at really slow speed then, but that's what we want. The other thing is your throttle input's very aggressive. So you're like on,
Yeah.
Particularly on a car that's so boosty, then it's just like it's on and off. Try and be smoother with everything. you go. Lovely. Yeah, good. So you keep it in the middle round here. So keep a little bit of power on.
Yeah.
Lovely. And then have a lift now. Okay. That's it. Keep it to the right. Now turn it in. Turn it through. Good. That's it. And it's just gone red there. Okay. So brilliant. Down your gear. So just practice your lines. That's it. So say just outside the normal sort of line, especially when it's damp like this. Okay.
Okay.
So nobody's going to overtake you. Perfect lines for the rest of this lap, because that's probably going to be to about the end of our session.
Yeah.
So you get right out wide there. We want to be focused on being right out to this curve just before the end of it, putting in. That's lovely. And then what you've got now is a nice straight line for your braking zone. So down your gear. Good. That's it. Start to turn it in. Brilliant. And then as you're coming out of here, you can see how little input you've now put in. Yeah. The car will then flow through the corner so much better.
Yeah.
All right.
Alright, thank you very much,
Well
man.
done.
Thank you.
Lots learned, I think. So,
Yeah.
alright.
Awesome.
So, smoother on your inputs, work on your line, you'll be away.
Cheers, buddy. Right, dinner's over. Going out on the M3. Will's gonna come passenger. He's not feeling too well either, so bless him. Poor little sod. There we go. She's warm.
Yeah. That was great stuff.
Em's going out in this. This is you. Man himself. Not feeling too well, is he?
Not bad, Greg.
Right, let's go.
Let's go.
Suit up, lad.
Yeah, look good.
It looks amazing, mate. Suiting up.
Brakes are bad. The discs are fucked, aren't they? Can you
Yeah,
feel
there's
them?
so much play in there, isn't there? Oh my god, it kicks!
Right, that'll look good up through the view.
Oh, what, on the camera?
See if you go to grab the wheel.
I know, yeah. Let's stay off the wheel, lad. Not much you can do there.
I'll shoot myself. Yeah.
It's nice, isn't it? Nice and smooth.
Yeah. It's pissing down, there's no grip, is there?
Oh, right.
Slippery, isn't it?
It is very slippery. been so annoying, like, because I've been told off for the screamer pipe, and they said, is there no way you can shut it up? And I kind of said, I can come off boost. So on the straight here, where the decimal meter is, I've had to just be cruising like 6 at like 3 grand. Like I can't boost, otherwise I'll get told off. Been fine all around the other track, but they just got the noise limiter here, so it's annoying because obviously we can only film from this bit. So on camera it looks like I'm just going dead slow, which I am because I have to, otherwise I'm gonna get told off. But I think we've had enough in the Evo now. I've got a Clio down there which wants me to go out and driving, so I'm definitely gonna be doing that. And then I think we'll let it off before it gets a bit late, to be fair. So it's 3:30. We decided to call it a day. I needed fuel, and we're getting a bit tired, to be fair. So we're on the way home now. She did so good again. That was such a nice track. I can't believe we didn't get black flagged. Like, it was so loud. But it, oh my god. We went out in Chrissy's car as well, PBS's Civic. That was so quick. Like, through the corners and stuff, it just carried so much speed. I can only imagine what that's like in the drive. But it was wet, but it was fun. Like, on the last laps, I was having a little bit of fun kicking it out. And I know there might be a lot of racing drivers in the comments saying, oh, I took the wrong line, or oh, you shifted too early, or oh, you was in the wrong gear. I don't care. I enjoyed myself, and the car enjoyed itself, and she did really well. I didn't want to put too much stress on the car. I was purposely shifting too early. I didn't want to take it up into the revs. I didn't want to be hitting the limiter. We was just having a nice time, and I didn't really want to put too much stress on the car, and I enjoyed myself. So if you are going to comment saying I did this wrong, I did that wrong, just save your energy, because I really don't care. I really don't care.